Lois Coles teaches algebra to 8th graders in Brentwood, Tennessee. Each year she has her students talk to workers in careers that interest them, asking for examples of how they use math in their jobs. "It's unbelievable," says Coles. "The students ask everyone from figure skaters to real estate agents, nurses, and airline pilots, and they all give us math problems. Thus you will need math everywhere." Experts say, workers with a strong background in mathematics are increasingly in demand. Employers are looking for math majors a lot more than they used to, says Mike Breen of the American Mathematical Society. Mastering mathematics is helpful in almost any career. Learning math helps workers analyze and solve problems, abilities that most employers value. And math teaches other important practices, including how to approach tasks methodically, pay attention to detail, and think abstractly. Some number-focused occupations, such as accountants and cost estimators, are obvious. However, workers in other occupations combine mathematical know-how with knowledge specific to their field. Science, technology, and engineering disciplines, for example, rely heavily on mathematics. And other disciplines, such as economics, also use math. A teacher that emphasizes reasoning, logic, and validity gives their students access to mathematics as an effective way of practicing critical thinking. All students have the ability to enhance and expand their critical thinking when learning mathematics. Students can develop this ability when confronting mathematical problems, identifying possible solutions, and evaluating and justifying their reasons for the results, thereby allowing students to become confident critical thinkers. Critical thinking and reasoning allow students to think about how they utilize their discipline of mathematical skills, i.e., they think about their method of thinking. Metacognition helps students to recognize that math is logical reasoning on solutions to problems. Students are taught how to identify scenarios, evaluate, select problem-solving strategies, identify possible conclusions, select logical conclusions, describe how a solution was summarized, and indicate how those solutions can be applied to more advanced math problems. What is Vedic math? We learned that math in general enhances our critical thinking skills. I would add that Vedic math further sharpens our critical thinking. Why? How? Because it increases our math speed. A thorough understanding of 16 slokas and 7 sutras increases math speed manifold. Mind you, I am talking about understanding the logic behind the Vedic math processes. This is what our Vedic math module is aiming at. Examples. Thus Vedic math knowledge helps us in getting good jobs. Vedic helps you in critical decision-making. Quick and right decision-making in business is essential. That is why employers need employees with very good critical decision skills. Vedic math helps in developing and enhancing critical decision-making skills. Vedic helps you in improving your academic performance. It can help you in achieving top rank in your school.